Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents 20 terrific ways to keep men chasing after you. Making a man like you is easy. Making him chase you and like you more with each day is a skill. If you're a woman, you know what we're talking about. You need to step back and let them do the chasing. It's high time you learned the art of making a man chase after you. Funny thing is, modern guys actually chase after women who they feel will chase them. Ladies are stalking them online and snooping on their social media accounts. In this case, they decide to visit their preferred nightclub. They start hanging out with his pals. They're doing everything wrong, so read on to find out what you can do to make a man chase you instead. Watch this video to the end and implement the 20 steps outlined and guys will always chase you. This video reveals the psychology underlying the phenomenon. First of all, there's no reason to send him chasing after you. These days, most women have forgotten the importance of the chase in making a man want them more. If you can make dating you seem doable, yet challenging, you will increase a man's attraction for you. That's how evolution was constructed. This is the same reasoning behind why things like social networking and video games are so compelling. The idea that there is a reward at the end of the tunnel, even if getting there is incredibly challenging, and that small successes along the way keep you motivated and focused. Number 1. Have confidence. Men, regardless of their orientation, are attracted to confident women, thus anyone interested in learning how to make a man chase after them would do well to understand this truth. An individual who enters into a room with confidence draws your attention. That's the desired outcome, and that's the response you're hoping he'll have. Carry yourself with self-assurance and you'll make him want you even more. Number 2. A case of less is more. Don't send him an essay if you're communicating by text. Everyone knows that reading long passages of text on a mobile device is a miserable experience for everyone. Remember to keep your communication short. Please save your comment for when you, then, are on a date. Number 3. Shows that you have a life. You need to demonstrate that you have a fulfilling existence that is not dependent on a man. You have friends, you work, and you go to school. You should act as if you're happy being single. Men are attracted to strong, self-sufficient women, and this is what will make him want to chase you. Number 4. Don't give him everything all at once. You shouldn't rush into making out or sleeping with him. Don't feel obligated to do anything for him because he is not your boyfriend. Nothing compels him to chase you, and you have no need to provide anything in return. Number 5. Use the "I'm busy" excuse. You could spend all day watching Game of Thrones and it wouldn't change the fact that you need to give the impression that you have something better to do. You can't constantly be available to get out with him whenever he messages you. He should buy a dog if he wants someone to be with him all the time, and he should respect the fact that you have your own life. Number 6. Be mysterious. You obviously have a lot of interesting stories to tell about yourself, but he doesn't need to hear them until the 5th date. You shouldn't rush into telling him about your personal life, either. it's okay to keep some questions unanswered and some intrigue intact. Number 7. Don't devote all of your time to him. Never give all your time to him simply because he is accessible and wants to spend time with you. Spend time with your friends, give yourself time alone, and don't let him control your schedule. When you want a guy to chase you, you need to show him that you aren't constantly available, even if he is. Number 8. Stop swooning over him. One of the worst things you can do if you want a man to chase you is to sit clutching his arm and looking fondly into his eyes. He's not your pet. You mustn't give him any reason to suspect such a thing, and while complimenting him is fine, staring at him with adoration will make you look needy and possessive. Number 9. Act sexy. You can make yourself more alluring without trying to pass for someone else by playing up your best physical traits. No, I don't intend to suggest that you get lip fillers, but if you wear plumping lipstick or flaunt your curves, it would surely grab his attention. Number 10. Don't constantly text him. Even though he texts you frequently, you shouldn't reciprocate. Keep in mind that you'd rather he chase you. Keep your texting to a minimum until he earns your trust. After he does, feel free to fill him in on your life. Using the appropriate emojis and playful texts, let him know you like texting with him, but don't rush into anything just yet. Number 11. Lessen the drama. Men are repulsed by even the slightest sense of drama, and will flee at the first opportunity. They aren't capable of dealing with it mentally or emotionally, so they refuse to even try. So leave the drama at home or on your girls' group message. Number 12. Throw in a little bit of flirt with him. You don't need to be unapproachable simply because you want him to chase you. Laugh it up and flirt with him, it'll be fun. Giving him an excuse to chase you is a great way to demonstrate your interest in him. Number 13. Keep up your social media presence. If you want a man to chase you, then you should change your profile image, add more stories, and upload new pictures of yourself looking your finest. You have to be constantly on his thoughts and incite envy in him. Make him wish he was spending time with you instead of the folks you're currently spending time with. Number 14. Don't let him believe he's the only one. He isn't. Listen, there are other guys that want to date you and you need to let him know that he isn't the only one. Post Instagram photos or status updates that include other people. What I mean is, he needs to see that you're desirable so that he'll chase after you actively and persistently. Number 15. Let him know he's on the right track. If he's trying to pursue you and win your heart, you should acknowledge his hard work. Don't be that girl who thinks a guy should do everything she wants. You should be appreciative, kind, and let him know you appreciate him, but you should not tolerate his offensive behavior. If you know the mental tricks to making a guy chase you, you can wait to give him your full attention until you're confident he likes you and wants to commit to building a relationship with you. Number 16. Be willing to drop him if he loses it. You should be prepared to let him leave if he isn't meeting to your requirements. I know you enjoy the chase, but if he has everything a girl could want but never responds to your texts for days on end, what are you supposed to do? Just let him go. He's not really after you and is probably just waiting for an opening to sneak up on you. Number 17. Understanding when to give a little. You can play hard to get, but if you do this constantly, he will give up. Therefore, you must decide when it is appropriate to give him a bit more. I don't think it needs to be sex, but you should reward the guy with at least a kiss or something along those lines at some point. Number 18. Don't be easy to get along with. I know it seems cheesy, but he gave you flowers. You could have easily bought the flowers yourself. Stop making a big deal out of the trivial items he buys to try and impress you. Never place importance on the gifts he buys you, but rather on the thoughtfulness and commitment he shows you. Guys know what they need to acquire to win over a girl, so don't allow him think he can do it by showering you with material goods. Instead, make it clear that he must earn your affection via his actions. Number 19. Avoid focusing on him. When you ignore the guy you like, strange things start to happen. For the guy you like to come to you, you need to ignore him for the most part. I get it, but the cosmos mandated this, not us. Number 20. Avoid rushing into relationships. In a hurry to end their single status, many women make the mistake of. They fail to see that being single can be an exciting time in a woman's life. Because you don't have anybody else to answer to but yourself, being single is a great time to work on personal development. There will be plenty of time for you to realize your goals. If you haven't made one of the biggest choices of your life yet, don't worry, there's still time. If you're in a hurry to end your single status, you'll likely forego the perks of being single and begin actively pursuing a relationship with the first decent guy you meet. Realize that you have to earn the good things in life. If you're not in a rush to end your single status, the guy you're interested in will get that. If you gotten this far, you are someone who deserves to be pursued. You are a loyal fan, and we appreciate you very much. If you liked this video, you should check out our other uploads and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.